So we want to try out a new mic for the iPhone for recording video. So we picked this up from Amazon. So we'll take a look at what is inside. So inside the box, you get two mics, a charger, and then the adapter piece. Let's pull this out, take a look at what this looks like. So here's the adapter, here are the mics, and then the charger. So the charger, as you can see, will plug in there, and then also plug in on the side of the adapter. And then on these mics, on the back is a power button. So to plug this in, you're just going to grab an iPhone and plug this into the bottom. And then you are going to turn the power on via this button here, and you are good to record on any video app on the phone. Super easy, nice package. It's also really affordable and it works really well.